In this video, I'll show you how to create attribution reports in Hubspot. First, go to your Hubspot dashboard, click on Reporting, then select Reports. You'll see a dashboard where you can generate reports. Click Create, then choose Create Report. Here, you'll see options like Custom Reports and other report types. Choose the option you want to create. If Attribution is available under Report categories, select it. If not, you can use the AI-generated report option. Click on the AI option, type Attribution, then describe what the report is about and what you want to measure. You can also try an existing prompt. Once you're done, click Generate Report. HubSpot will build the attribution report using your available data, and once it's ready, you'll see the report displayed. That's how you can create attribution reports in HubSpot. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more HubSpot tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.